Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is June 8th, 2021. We're going to talk about Luna today. And if you guys can see from my price chart, this is probably one of the worst down moves we've seen in the cryptocurrency space overall, right? We've seen this volume in Luna completely collapse from where we were just a couple of months ago. We're going to break down to see where we're looking for the market in Luna to go, to get in position, to see and profit. So if you want to join us, if you want to be part of our community, you're more than welcome to. We're here to assist and be in position so that we all can dominate this cryptocurrency space amongst everyone else. You're more than welcome to follow. Join us, hit the like button, share and subscribe here to the channel. We're here to assist, get in position, and also teach every one of you how to read the markets without being confused. So let's talk about Luna real quick. You guys can see on our last price prediction we did in Luna was on May the 7th, 2021. Let me zoom in on this chart, and we expected the market to go lower in Luna, right? We wasn't surprised to see the weakness come through in Luna on that particular day, and we had our ultimate TP price around $14.25. You can see it, 14.34% profitability right there in the market for Luna. Excellent call. If you were to still be in the market today and you happen to wanted to take the profit now, you'll have 66, almost 67% profitability in that anticipated prediction we did back on May the 5th. So 67%, 14%, excellent call to everyone who was able to see that right before the market in Luna dropped. So now, one of the biggest reasons as to why I say that this probably has been the worst drop or breakage to the downside amongst any other cryptocurrency in this space is take a look at where we've been. The market in Luna was in a surefire upward trend, right? We've seen the market in Luna come all the way up there to around $22.50, and here we are today trading at 6. That is 75.25% loss in value. That's almost like 100%, 25% away from being a complete zero from the all-time high on this exchange. Think about that. From March to June, this market in Luna has lost 75% of its value. That is what a crash looks like, right? And your idea to see, or at least to get out the way before the market lost 75%, was when the market broke this trend, right? Well, before that, actually, you was getting more information that weakness was coming through in Luna right around this time frame, that the market was hinting at weakness. I mean, it was in a surefire downtrend, and then we was coming closer to that ascending line. So definitely we should have been paying attention to the market in Luna at that moment. This is how you're able to minimize those losses, because if you could not see that, you stayed on the ship while the ship was sinking all the way down here to $5.50. It's very important for every one of us to learn how to read charts without being confused, because I will tell you one thing, using technical indicators is lagging, meaning that it will give you what you expect to see after the market has actually moved. You need something to get you ahead of the game. You need something to give you an advance warning to let you know, okay, you might need to get out the market because I'm seeing some things that's telling me we're about to fall, right? Technical indicators cannot give you that. So again, we need to see where the market is anticipated to go so that we can be prepared. And this is what we do on this particular channel. So let's do this real quick. One thing I'm seeing already in Luna is that this market is holding support right there around $5. Can't tell you enough how important that number is, right? Just like we saw the market in Luna did back in February, how it held support and consolidated, we need to see that again. It's just that simple. Breakage of $5 to the downside is going to be massive and severe. $4, even back down to $3 will be the next level. This is the 3-day time frame. And here we're still seeing the indication of market weakness. Just like we saw the market in Luna back in January and February, the volume was heavy. Again, the volume is once again showing us some heaviness. So we're seeing buyers come into the market right here in Luna. That's precisely what is going on. The market is trying to hold support around $5. No surprise there. 2-day time frame. Again, the market here is still weak. Okay, I don't want you all to think that we're out the woods yet to see this weakness. It is still here. But we have a pretty good indication of support coming through around $5. Okay, this is the 5-day time frame, and I'm still seeing weakness into the market in Luna, and even to the point to where this $5 support area can be broken to the downside. This is the weekly time frame. So again, the market is showing that it wants to buy up these cryptocurrencies at these cheaper prices. But what they don't realize is that someone else is selling it into the market that is collapsing the price. I mean, these weekly price bars right here, let me zoom in and show it to you, tells you that the demand is there, right? The people are there willing to purchase Luna, but there's more sellers. There's more supply or stockpile in this market that is allowing the price to close towards the low of the bar. That's how you know the market is still weak. Okay, just like we did here back in this particular time period. So again, I'm seeing the market in Luna as weak, but we have a pretty good area of support around $5. Okay, so let me look at this on the hourly time frame real quick. And again, I'm seeing the indication that the market is really wanting to hold support and continue to trade this sideways trading action. So I'm not really expect a big movement to the downside to occur in Luna, not right now. If anything, we're going to continue to see this market trade sideways and not expect too much out of that. This is the 11-hour time frame, and you can see here how the market is still wanting to hold price and support. 15-hour time frame is still definitely showing us a lot of weakness. We saw the same amount of volume on these two 15-hour price bars, that one and this one, and the spread of this one is a lot smaller. So we're seeing buyers come into the market here in Luna. So I mean, if you, depending on how long you want to be in this market, if you're going to be in this market for, you know, a couple of hours, a day or two, maybe 3 days or so, you can play the market strength. But looking at this on a daily time frame, there's still some hints that the market in Luna is giving us some weakness here. So what we're going to do, we're going to play this on a small time frame, very, very small time frame. We're going to play the strength, and we're not playing this for the long run. All right, we're playing this only for the small time frame, which means hourly time frame, maybe over the next 2 to 3 days. Okay, so now this is what we're drawing. This is our prediction as to where we're looking for the market in Luna to go. We would TP the market around $6 though. We're not going to be greedy. We're not telling that the market is going to moon up back up to around $25. But we would definitely come through and TP out the market around $5.50. That will give us about 10% profitability though, right? But I'm going to bring it all the way up to this particular vicinity there, around $6.58, which would be about 20% profit into the market for Luna. Okay. And again, I'm not really expecting a lot to occur in the market in Luna, not yet. The market is still trying to trade within this sideways trading, and $5 is support of that trading range, and restriction is around 8. Okay, so we can play that. We can actually expect the market to give us that type of trading action over the next couple of days to weeks. Okay. So this is our updated price prediction into the market in Luna. This is what we're looking at. We're going to continue to play that, playing the strength so far. we had our first area of take profit around $6, which was around like what, 10%, all the way back up to around 650, which was around 20%. And that's that easy. So now I want you all to tell me, where do you all think the market in Luna is going to go? You know, in the next, we're playing this prediction on the short time frame. So give me in the next 7 days, where do you think the market price in Luna is going to be? You know, if you want to join us, call the market right alongside with us. There's no right or wrong answers. You just simply need to read the market based off price bars and volume and anticipate where the market is going to go so that you can win, so that you can beat everyone else. This is what we're all about. So let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.